Good afternoon, all of you. I, Akash Tyagi and Radha Govind Agarwal are here to present PPT on transistor. Here are contents: what is transistor, transistor properties and types of transistor. What is transistor? Transistor is a three-terminal electronic device that is used to amplify. Transistor have many uses, including amplification switches, voltage regulation, and modulation of signals. Semiconductor which play a major role in the transistor. Semiconductor are more like insulators in their pure form but have some atomic barriers and in dopants allow them to gain conductive properties. Doping means adding impurities in semiconductor that allow them to P-type semiconductor. P-type semiconductor include dopants like boron, aluminium, Indium and helium. Boron atom will involve in covalent bond with 3 types and 4 neighboring Si atoms. The fourth bond will be missing and electron giving atom can hold that gas except an electron. N-type semiconductor. It includes the dopant nitrogen, phosphorus, and signal. So phosphorus atom will contribute an additional electron to the silicon giving it excess negative charge. Otherwise, we will explain this further.
P-junction diode is a biasing. There are two biases, forward bias and reverse bias. Forward bias work as a P-type and N-type, P-type and N-type diodes. When the P-type diode is connected to positive terminal of the battery and N-type is connected to negative terminal of battery, then it's called forward bias. And current flow only in forward bias, and reverse bias is the P-type is connected to the negative terminal of the battery and N-type is connected to the positive terminal of battery. It's called reverse bias. Next. BJT transistor is a bipolar junction transistor, has a two type, NPN and PNP. And three parameters: current gain, voltage drop from base to emitter, and minimum voltage drop across collector to emitter. NPN BJT transistor. NPN BJT transistor is a high potential collector. Low potential emitter allow current to flow. When it is collector and base in forward bias and base and emitter is in reverse bias, then current is started to flow. PNP is a high potential emitter. Positive terminal of the battery is connected to the emitter and negative terminal of the battery is connected to the collector. When collector and base in forward bias, reverse bias and emitter and base in forward bias, then it's connected this, then current is started to flow. Next. BJT had three modes. Active mode means when collector and base is in forward bias and emitter and base is in reverse bias, then it works as an active region. And cutoff region is when collector base and emitter base is both are in reverse bias, then it's called cutoff. And saturation region is a region. Saturation region is a region where emitter, collector and base and emitter is in forward bias, then it called saturation region. Next please. FET and BJT. Drain is as a position of collector in FET. Gate is a position of base in FET. Source is as the position of emitter in FET. Next. FET transistor. FET means field effect transistor, which FET is work on a electron transfer only. FET has more types: MOSFET, JFET, MESFET, HEMT, or MOSFET. Most commonly is the N-type MOSFET. Next please. FET how it works. The field effect, the resulting field at the plate cause electrons to gather as an electron which from current is allowed to flow. When it is in p-type, then electron is flow to emitter to collector. Then some part of electron is consumed by the base, but more of about 97% part is go to the emitter to the collector, and current started to flow, and FET transistor it started to work. Next, FET next please. FET transistor has three regions, same as BJT: cutoff, linear, and saturation. In cutoff, effect of current is zero. In linear, transistor act as a variable resistor controlled by VGS, means voltage resistance is act according to the voltage. Saturation essentially constant current. Current is constant in saturation region. In FET transistor, next please. Power transistor. Power transistor is a material current handling and heat dissipating. Can handle high current and voltage. We are used power transistor in amplifier or mainly high mode devices. So power transistor is a very important entertaining parts. Next, transistor uses switching, amplification, variable resistor, etc. Next please. Next.